Never-ending careers. There are hundreds of careers in society today. Many people narrow down possible careers based on what they like to do, but often their choice is based on job requirements, location, and salary of job. Therefore, if one enjoys helping people, staying inside, and making a relatively good amount of money, they may consider choosing to be a licensed practical nurse as a career. My mom, Stacy Handy, is graduating in December from the LPN program, and I am interested in possibly following in her footsteps. A licensed practical nurse, also known as LPN, observes and records information about patients including temperature, blood pressure, and respiration rate. LPNs not only perform those tasks, they help patients in personal hygiene, get them ready for medical examinations, give injections, change surgical clothing, and prescribe medicine as needed. According to Encyclopedia of Careers and Vocational Guidance, those who want to work in doctors' offices or clinics are sometimes required to perform clerical duties such as keeping records, maintaining files and paperwork, also answering phones, and setting up appointments. Those who want to work for home care may sometimes cook and serve food to their patients. To pursue a career such as this, there are many requirements. One of these is while one is attending high school, he or she needs to take courses in science, math, and English to prepare for future college education courses. To become a licensed practical nurse, one must complete an approved practical nurse program, pass a national licensure exam, and research says not only one is required to complete specific educational requirements, one must also have certain traits. Some of these are to like working with and helping others, and feel comfortable around different races, cultures, and religions. Furthermore, some traits that are required are the ability to communicate in an effective way, work as a team, and use critical skills on a daily basis. So, does one have to move to a certain location to maintain this job? The answer is no. The reason is because there will always be a need for nurses. However, one can work in various places. These places consist of hospitals, nursing care facilities, offices of physicians, home care, and residential care facilities. The Bureau of Labor states that 45% consisted of home care, residential facilities consisted of 28%, and nursing care facilities. 25 of LPNs worked in hospitals, and remaining 12 in offices of physicians. Working conditions for a licensed practical nurse can be beneficial yet harmful. Studies show that most LPNs work a 40-hour week. In some work settings, their patients need round-the-clock work. LPNs may have to work nights, weekends, and holidays. They may also face hazards from caustic chemicals, radiation, and infectious diseases. They are subject to back injuries when moving patients. They often must deal with heavy workloads. In addition, the patients they care for may be confused, agitated, and uncooperative. This career may sound demanding, but there are many benefits. One benefit is the satisfaction of being able to make a difference in a patient's life. Another is the many opportunities an individual may encounter in job stability. Lastly are the earnings of this career. The Institute for Research states LPNs typically earn between $30,000 and $50,000 a year. Nursing care wasn't always based on education. Until the 1870s, nursing care in the United States was provided by concerned individuals, usually women, who applied their practical knowledge of healing to sick and injured. There are no formal educational programs, and nursing know-how was passed on informally from generation to generation. To conclude, there is hundreds of careers, including licensed practical nurse. This career can be interesting, beneficial, yet demanding. I now understand why my mom, Stacy Handy, enjoys this career, but I don't see myself partaking in it. Our society depends on nurses on a daily basis. After all, we have injuries, we need medicine, and we age. Nursing will be a demanding job for years to come.